Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to update your Android version using OTA, over-the-air method. Follow the steps. Charge the battery to at least 75%. Back up your important data. Connect to the internet. It's advisable to use a Wi-Fi connection. Open your phone's system settings. Scroll to the System Updates menu. Next, click on the Check for Updates button. Wait for the system to check for available updates. If no update is available, then the system will inform you about the current system version. If there are available system updates, you will be prompted to download and install the update. Confirm to download and install the update. The phone will reboot to install the update. It may take up to 20 minutes for the update to be installed and run for the first time. During this time, it's important not to touch the phone until the system has booted. In the description you will find the link to article with details and other ways to update Android. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.